started. Good morning. I'm so happy to see you today. You guys all look ready to go. And let's see, today for morning meeting, I want us to share our name and if you like movies or TV more. Okay? Let's see, can we start with Graciela? We can start with you.
I like movies.
Movies. Thank you for sharing. Alexa, would you like to go next? Can you show us TV or movies? Okay. Remy, do you want to tell us or show us TV or movies? You want to think of that, Remy? Oh, here's Andrea. All right, Melanie, do you want to tell us?
My name is Melanie and I like TV.
TV, thank you for sharing. Firas and I, would you like to go next and tell us whether you like, oh, hold on 1 second. We have a few friends joining us. Let's let them hear everybody too.
Good morning, Miss Eppin.
Good morning, Andrea. All right, friends, we are just sharing our names and whether we like TV or movies. So Firas and I, would you like to go next? Can you unmute Firas and I?
I think he put a thumbs up earlier, Miss Eppin, but I wasn't sure.
Oh, he's frozen again.
I was going to say, I think he's frozen.
Oh, now you're unfrozen, Firas and I. Can you tell us again? Do you like
TV?
You like TV? Thank you for sharing. Sunbright, would you like to go next?
TV.
You like TV. Thank you for sharing. Lean, can you tell us if you like TV or movies?
TV.
TV. Thank you for sharing. Allison, can you tell us if you like TV or movies?
Movies.
Movies. Thank you for sharing. Andrea, which do you like? Oh, can you unmute yourself, Andrea?
I like movies and my TV.
You like both. Thank you for sharing. Aldo, will you tell us if you like TV or movies? Oh, can you unmute so we can hear you?
Yeah.
Which do you like, TV or movies?
TV.
TV. Thank you for sharing. Jasmine, would you like to go next?
I like TV.
Thank you for sharing. Junior, would you like to go next? Do you like TV?
I like movie.
Movies. Thank you for sharing. Miss Du Bois, which do you like?
My name is Miss Du Bois, and I like TV shows better.
My name is Miss Eppin, and I like TV shows more too. So fun. All right, my friends, let's go ahead and read our morning message. Good morning, friends. Today is Monday, August 24th. We will have art. Let's make it a great day. Love, Miss Eppin. So friends, remember to sign on to our specials every day. So today we have art. Miss Moore has shown me some of the projects you guys have made and they're so fun. So keep up the good work with your art. And we are going to read a story. So I think I've told you guys, Miss Eppin loves Dr. Seuss. And I know Melanie and Sunbright have read some Dr. Seuss books. But my favorite character, Andrea, have you read some too? My favorite character is the Grinch. So this is a fun story. It's not the normal Grinch story. It's called Cooking with the Grinch. Ooh, so Graciela has not heard Dr. Seuss before. Give me a thumbs up if you know the Grinch.
I heard Dr. Seuss before.
Gotcha. So a lot of us know the Grinch, but some of us don't. Ooh, that's so fun. All right, friends, so it's called Cooking with the Grinch by Tish Rabe, illustrated by Tom Brannan. The Grinch goes down, down to the town. He hears the bells, ding dong, dong ding. He hears the whoos, they sing, sing, sing. He taps a door, it's Cindy Lou. She likes to cook, the Grinch does too. He likes to mix, she likes to stir. She cooks with him, he cooks with her. They make some treats and start to bake. Who will eat the treats they make? Max, oh no, 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 no. Max, you have to go. The treats are done, don't let them tip. Oh no, the treats, they start to slip. Cindy Lou is fast, the treats do not fall. She saves the treats, she saves them all. Merry Christmas, Max, yum, 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 yummy. The treats are now in Max's tummy. Thumbs up if you like that story. Do you guys like helping your families cook at home? I do too. I'm so glad that you guys do. That's so fun. All right, friends, we are going to do some quick head, shoulders, knees, and toes, and then we have some learning to do. Ready? Let's make sure we have lots of space to move. All right, thumbs up when you're ready and you have a good spot to move your body. Looks like almost everyone. All right, ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. All right, you guys are looking warmed up. Let's do a little faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Let's do it one more time, a little faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Ready for turtle speed? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. All right, are you ready for hyperspeed? Get your bodies all warmed up, ready to go. It's gonna be really fast today. Ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Whew! You guys did a great job. I love doing that with you guys every morning. All right, friends, we are going to do a quick breathing break. Who would like to choose our breathing break today? Remember, now we have breathing ball, rainbow breath, 5-finger breathing, and dinosaur breath. So we have 4 different ones to choose from. Virasana, which one would you like to do?
Dinosaur breath.
Dinosaur breaths. I love it. So friends, remember for a dinosaur breath, we're going to breathe in really nice and deep. And then blow it out like a big dinosaur. Should we do 4? You guys think 4 or 5? Somebody thinks 5. I think we should do 5. All right. Let's do 5 dinosaur breaths. Ready? Thumbs up if you're feeling ready to go. All right, my friends.